Hello and good morning to our lecturer, Ms. Grace. This is a video presentation about agronomic practices in rubber plantation by Group 4A3. Presentation, we have a group members, the introduction, and also the explanation of agronomic practices in rubber plantation, and the last one is conclusion. Group 4, we have a three members. The first one is Nur Shafiq Rahikal, the second one is Muhammad Shafiq Izwan with Arwan, and the last one is me, Izzatul Aisha binti Idit. The meaning of agronomy. Agronomy is the two words that combine as agro and nomos, and it also directly means field and manage. Agronomy is formally defined as a branch of agriculture science, and it deals with the study of crops and factors that affecting their growth. Meaning of agronomic practices is it's agricultural practices that field with crop production. It's also including soil management, cultivation, and row cropping. Agronomic practices in rubber is replacement. We should know that replacement should be done when the rubber plants are not planted or the seeds are dead. We also can replace the plants with the rubber tree, yeah, that have the same age, which is the rubber that we already put in a poly bag in nursery, and then we also should be it also should be done by the third year after planting the seeds. After we plant the seeds, we can wait. We need to wait until third year of the our plants, so we can do the replacement. If not until the third year, we cannot do the replacement. For the second one is thinning out. Thinning out is process of removal of branches and undersized tree. Undersized tree means which the tree is not matured enough, and it should be done before the rubber tree reach the maturity of age. It also can replace with the same age of rubber that we already put in the poly bag in the nursery, and we also can thinning out our rubber tree when the rubber tree have no chance to recovery.
Growth measurement in rubber plantation is a common practice to determine the growth and development of rubber trees. The growth of a tree is typically measured at a specific height above the ground using a measuring tape or a specialized tree growth tape. Growth measurement should be started on the third year after field planting and onward. Growth measurement should be done once a year. A minimum of 5% of the total stand or 20 trees per would be marked and used for growth measurement. The selected trees can be numbered and painted with a blue paint. If we plant the rubber tree on plant interrupting trend, the selected rows of trees should form a cross over the entire field. But if we plant the rubber tree on hilly trend, the selected rows should comprise a minimum of 50 trees per row. As soon as the average growth measurement reaches 45 cm at 150 cm above the ground level, the probability census should be carried out. Then, if we wanted to identify the growth measure of a rubber tree, there is a mark that has been marked at each rubber tree. If the tree has one mark, it shows that growth measurement of the tree has reached 36 or 40 cm. But if the tree has two marks, it shows that the tree has reached the growth of 41 to 44 cm. And lastly, if the tree has three marks, it shows that the tree has reached the growth of 45 cm or more.
Now we go to the weeding part. Weeding can be done with two ways, and it was hand weeding or chemical. The weeding is very important for reduce competition for nutrient, space, and sunlight. It is also to eliminate the habitat of pests and diseases. And also, it to make sure application of fertilizer is efficient. And when we can start the weeding, we can start our weeding plan during the immature phase. The immature phase is at first and second year. The weeding on all cropland 4 to 6 times per year. In between cropland 6 times a year. When it reach third and 5th year, 4 times per year in all cropland and 3 times per year in between cropland. And when the mischievous weeding can be done on all cropland 1 to 2 times per year, and no weeding needed in between cropland. In conclusion, agronomic practice is important because it is to make sure our rubber plant grow healthier. Other than that, the good agronomic practice will provide the good quality of the latex or the rubber plant. That's all from us. Thank you.